In this video, I will be showing you how to search Canva elements effectively. Let's get started. I'll start by clicking into the Elements tab and typing in a specific set ID. Using these unique codes, like this one for line art characters, is a great way to find consistent collections from the same artist. Next, I'll clear that and try a more general keyword like blob. I'll click See All under Graphics to browse through various organic shapes and colorful accents that add a modern touch to any design. Now, let's look for something more specific. I'll type in planets and hit See All. You can see a wide range of styles here, from realistic 3D renders to simple flat icons. If you need nature elements, try searching for bold foliage. This brings up vibrant tropical leaves and floral graphics that are perfect for framing a layout. For a softer look, I'll search for aesthetic. This reveals a mix of boho elements, stars, and muted tones that work beautifully for social media posts. Going back to specific codes, I'll type in this set ID to pull up a collection of kid playing volleyball illustrations, which is perfect for activity book. Next, I'll try this code for graduation-themed characters, showing how easy it is to find niche illustrations for specific events. Here is another set ID that brings up a diverse group of colorful flat icons, ranging from food to school supplies. For more wedding-related items, I'll use the specific code to find delicate line icons like rings, cakes, and envelopes. If you need decorative text, using this set ID will give you a full alphabet of colorful, stylized letters. You can also search for creators directly by using the @ symbol. Typing in @Lulu brings up their unique library of cute, minimal stickers. Finally, let's search for @Chani Artwork. This creator has a massive variety of adorable sticker-style graphics for everything from stationery to food. I hope these tips help you find the perfect elements for your next project.